What's going on? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a 2014 Honda CB1100 with me today. Pretty cool bikes. Kind of a throwback to the old CB bikes. Got the chrome fenders. It's got dual disc brakes. It's got a brand new tire on the front. Bike's in good shape. I noticed, you can see on that gauge, there's a little finish worn through. That's an added on windshield. Somebody added that. It's got a couple of very, very small scratches. I know you're just looking at me right now. There's one right there. I think that was about it. They're real small. Other than that, there's a little finish. Focus in on that. A little finish worn up on that inner support bracket for the windshield. And that had a little wear on the bar end. Somebody was probably parking it and just rubbed it up against something. It's a nice bike. 1100 cc's. Fuel injected, it's air and oil cooled, it's got a 6-speed transmission. Bike's real fun to ride. It's got a nice upright seating position, it's real comfortable. It's a gloss black, and then it's got this silver and burgundy pinstripe. It's only got like 3,300 miles or something like that. Rear tire's in good shape. We changed the engine oil. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, gave it a professional detail. Chain driven. It's got adjustable levers on it. It's got the analog speedo intact, and then it's got this little digital display with a gear indicator, which is pretty darn handy. 3,340 miles. The engine on this thing is butter smooth. There's no vibrations. It's a real smooth running bike. Bikes aren't real complicated at all. It's going to give you a lot of reliable miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.